Well, hey there everyone, here in beautiful Huntington Beach, Surf City, and I just got out of the waves. Beautiful, beautiful morning, and met a gentleman out there who works with Operation Surf, Photo Merlin, click his link below, great photographer, but he was talking about the way that the world is working these days, and it's two styles. There's people that are breaking us humans apart, and then there's those that are bringing us humans together, and it's really about building this tribe. And as surfers, I mean, we are all very selfish in the fact that we want to ride the wave, but we are all surfers together and being in the water, making it happen. And that's really, really, really what it's all about. It's about building that tribe, about building everybody together. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to talk about the 4 T's of fundraising and how that can help you and your organization, especially with this. So there's 4 T's. There is time, there's talent, there's team, and there's tribe. And that tribe's right out there, and that tribe works together. And when that tribe works together, then that's where the magic happens. But everybody can provide something when it comes to fundraising. So you have your time, where your volunteers are investing their time within that, whether it's in the water or whether it's in a committee or helping you with all of your programs. That's the time. And there's the talent, and then those people that have those very special skills, and maybe it's on social media, maybe they're within law, maybe it's in accounting, maybe it's website design, maybe it's so many different things, but they can apply their talent within that. And then, of course, we're talking about fundraising, and it's all about treasure, right? It's identifying those that have that treasure, but many times that treasure doesn't happen until people invest that time. 70% of your volunteers are going to become your donors, and volunteers that help you to provide that talent are very, very likely to provide that treasure as well. And there's many people that have more treasure than time, so let's let them have a chance to provide that treasure within the within your fundraiser, whether it's events or even beyond that. But then the most important one is your tribe. The tribe that these people are connected with. And now, in these days of social networks and everybody, I mean, there's thousands and thousands of followers for each individual that is a part of your tribe. And think of the social impact that can go out as they are sharing your story and sharing your mission and sharing your impact with their own tribe, and then inviting their tribe into your tribe, and how fast and how rapid your tribe can grow. It's pretty amazing, right? And then when you create an event and you bring a community together, your participants and the people that work within that, your volunteers, and then that tribe that's brought in around that to be a part of that, you're building that tribe, you're building that connectivity of everybody coming together. And you're building that stoke, you're building that energy, and when you create a beautiful event and allow everybody to provide some level of treasure to that, now your tribe and your community is going to grow that much more stronger, and then that stoke is going to live in their hearts and beyond. And just like today, I was talking with Merlin, and he was talking about an event that Operation Surf was having, and he was telling me about how inspiring it was and how everybody cheered like they were at a football game, and everybody was high-fiving all the athletes and everything within that. And I could see that twinkle in his eye, and it brought him back to that space. And this was 6 months ago. But for him to have that conversation about that and to share that with me, you could see that event really, really, really stoked that fire within him. And just like a wave, we want to go out and we want to catch that wave, and the wave was the best moment of our lives at that time. But we want to go on and catch another one, and we want to catch another one, and catch another one. And that's what fundraising is like. Fundraising is like that when you give, and that organization shows you that impact of that gift, and it keeps going and keeps growing, and that stoke inside of you continues to grow and grow and grow. It becomes contagious, especially at the event. The stoke is contagious, and more people are raising their paddles, and more people are bidding, more people are giving. The stoke continues. And then now inside of that, as a donor, time, talent, treasure, and tribe, that builds as well. And now that deeper connection happens. I want to give more time, I want to give more talent, I want to give more of my treasure, I want to invite more of my tribe within that. And then thus the cycle continues. Just like surfing, it continues. You just get more and more stoked. Like, as you probably can tell, I'm very stoked right now because I got some great waves this morning, and they weren't the biggest waves, but they were my waves, and I can't wait to go out again. And I love it, I love it. And I love helping organizations like yours to raise more money and to find those that want to provide that time and that talent and that treasure. But now, most importantly, is growing that tribe. So how are you growing your tribe? How are you bringing new friends in and making that tribe stronger and more powerful and creating that stoke? But I just want to thank you so much again, Bobby D here, and it is such a beautiful, beautiful day in sunny Southern California. The beautiful event tonight. I'm so excited to help them build their tribe and stoke that fire inside of them. But happy fundraising, and we'll talk to you all soon. All right, hang loose, be awesome.